Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDXG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very solid move. Now, yes, I realize the price did pull back, but even with that, from where it closed to where, was at yesterday down here around $4.50, this was still a very solid move. Now, I do also realize that a lot of perspective goes into this chart, meaning if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 7 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the big picture perspective, then yeah, this question is very logical. Is there any sort of true power behind today's move? Is there any sort of genuine momentum? I don't know, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that level is right here at the $7 mark. Why is $7 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement that's truly strong is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $7. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this previous set of lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upward direction. And again, that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do. They make progress as time goes by. So progress can still be made, yes, but the last thing you want to see this price do is go right back to within that range where it broke out of today. Now, what about levels of resistance? If the price is going to get back up to around the $14 mark, where are some of these battlegrounds at? The first area of resistance on any sort of bounce going to be right here at, we'll call it $10.25. And then after 25 cents, quite a bit of highs right up around that area. What is that? $13.35. Seems pretty random, $13.35, but you can see quite a bit of upper shadows right at that area. But before you even talk about $13.35, first level the bulls got to get back up above is $10.35. No doubt about it. Crazy move today. Bulls made some good progress. Now it's just a question of can they build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.